Now, while coronavirus is impacting schools, events such as the NCAA men's basketball tournament, it is also having an impact on Maryland's primary election.
And the State Board of Elections is discussing whether to allow people to cast their vote by mail. Political reporter Pat Warren has more on how this may affect the Baltimore primary specifically.
Social distancing, it is not. It seems like this from a Maryland election that has some officials wondering what, if any, changes to make to provide an environment as virus-free as possible for voters to carry out their civic duty in the April primary. The State Board of Elections is in discussion with the governor and legislative leaders.
It is something we're concerned about and will be addressing in the coming days.
Local boards of elections are waiting for instructions.
Today, all the election directors from around the state have come together to send a letter to the State Board Administrator asking and requesting that we do an all-mail-in ballot. We think it's important for the safety of not only our election judges and those persons that are employees of the local board and the voters that we be very cautious about the way we handle this election.
In a statement posted on its website, the State Board of Elections says as the election approaches, SBE will continue coordinating with federal and state health officials and will institute any appropriate safeguards to minimize the risk for voters and election workers. In Baltimore, there's a significant number of at-risk polling judges.
We did some search on the age of our judges, and I do believe at least 1,400 or 60 or above.
Early voting starts April 16th. The primary and special election for the 7th Congressional District is April 28th. I'm Pat Warren reporting for WJZ.